collision and broadcast domain. So what is the collision and what is the broadcast? So when any person, this person shouting, hey baby or hey Sam, then it's shouting, hey Sam, it's voice. So here different person, like this person, all are listen because he is shouting. If he is shouting, then all are listen. This is the broadcast. What is the meaning of broadcast? Because he is shouting, ये सभी को बोल रहा है, shouting कर रहा है, तो सभी के पास ये जा रहा है. Like this is the hub. When hub connected to one PC, when it's shouting, then all connected PC listen. So this is the broadcast. Okay. And hub have no mind. Then all reply, I'm not. Then it's collision. It's because hub one time send the packet and one time receive the packet. If both are the same time, then it's collision. So if we talking about here, what is the local area network? So local area network, this is the connected to computer by hub. This is a simply network like this would be considered on a collision domain and one broadcast domain. Like a Bob send packet to Sally with the help of hub. Hub is a layer 1 device. So it's sending the packet and receive the packet. If both are the same time, then it's collision. So how it will be improved? So need to break up a large network into a bunch of smaller ones of the same point to match a network equally inevitable growth, because heavy network traffic can halt the network. The solution to this problem begin with the breaking up a massive network into a smaller ones, sometimes called network segmentation. छोटे packet. Okay. A switch can break up collision domain. Here just extended collision domain from the switch port. So A sent data to B, but C did not. This is good because A intended to talk with B directly. A want to send packet to B because this is a hub. A ने shouting किया और ये B के पास नेटवर्क चला गया, but C के पास नहीं जाएगा. It's not received by C because here is the switch, and switch have the mind, hub have no mind.